Hello newcomer civil engineers दोस्तों. Today we are going to learn very interesting topic, that is material estimation for M25 grade, right? We will calculate for 1 cubic meter only, right? So how much is required? This is you can do at your site depending on area of slab, and you can calculate the volume. And as we know, for volume, what is the formula? For volume is length, breadth and height. Okay, you can find out the volume of concrete. Okay, so let's start. For 1 cubic meter, how much required material? Cement, sand and aggregate. Okay, we will calculate for M25 grade. Okay, so see what is M25. First we should understand what is called M25. M is the mix. M stand for mix. M stand for mix. And 25 is the grade. Okay, grade of concrete at 28 days. After completion of 28 days, we should get 25 Newton per mm square strength, compressive strength. Concrete gives us compressive strength and steel gives us tensile strength, right? So we need 25 Newton per mm square, right? So till here is clear. M stand for mix, 25 is the grade. After 28 days, we need 25 Newton per mm square. Next, as we know, in previous videos I have spoken to you what is the mix ratio of cement, sand and aggregate. So for M25 the mix ratio is 1:1:2. Okay, one part is cement and the second part, one part will be sand and two part will be aggregate. Okay, so how to find out how much quantity of cement bag is required for 1 cubic meter M25 grade concrete? So first we have to understand what is the dry volume and what is the wet volume. Dry volume is which is you are purchasing from market, like you will get in dry form cement, sand and aggregate, but in wet form you will develop at site. Okay, so the thing is dry volume of concrete equal to, we are taking for 1 cubic meter, then it is 54 of wet volume. What is 54? This is 54% increment of wet volume of concrete. 54% increment of wet volume of concrete. Okay, so what will happen? 1 plus 54 into 1 upon 100, because of this is in percentage, and what you will get? 1.54 cubic meter dry volume. Okay, this coefficient you have got. Now see, we have to sum up this volume, this mix. 1 plus 1 plus 2, what you will get? You will get 4. Okay, so this is 1 cubic meter we are calculating, then 1 upon 4 into 1.54 equal to, you will get 3.85 cubic meter. This is the cement. Okay, and now you want weight in kg. Okay, the formula says this is mass equal to volume into density. Just you keep memorize, mass into volume, mass equal to volume into density, mass equal to volume into density. Okay, this is the formula. So we know, as previous video I have spoken, this is, that's for cement you need in kg, then it will be 1450 is the density of the cement. 1450 kg is the density of the cement. So what will happen? You have got 0.385 cubic meter. Now 0.385 cubic meter into 1440 equal to 554.4 kg. Now you want for number of bags, how much required? As we know, one bag cement is 50 kg. Okay, this is 50 kg. Then 554.4 upon 50 equal to 11.088 bags is required for 1 cubic meter of M25 grade concrete. Okay, now next, sand. For sand this same 4 1 by 4 because ratio is also 1 here. Then this is 1 by 4 into 1.54. 1.54 is the dry volume. 1.54 is the dry volume, equal to how much you got? 0.385 cubic meter. Same you will get because of the ratio is 1 only. Okay, the weight of sand in kg, it will be 0.385 into 1500 because the density comes for sand is 1450 to 1800 kg, right? So just let's assume in middle, in between somewhere 1500 take, then you will get 577.5 kg. This is you got cement. This much sand is required. 577.5 kg required sand. Now aggregate. Aggregate having a two part. Okay, aggregate having a two part. So what will happen? 2 upon 4 into 1.54. 1.54 is the dry volume. Okay, so what you will get? 0.77 cubic meter. The density of aggregate comes between 1480 to 2100 kg, right? So what you will do? Take a in middle 1550. Then you will get 1193.5 kg. This is you got aggregate. Okay, so as we know, to find out the cost, now cost, how to calculate the cost? You can convert in cubic foot also. Okay, this you have got aggregate, you have got sand, you have got cement. Okay, now you need water also. Then the water ratio is 0.55 required. How much? From the cement bags. Cement kg is how much? Cement kg is, this is 554.4. So 554.4 into 0.55, you will get 299.42 liter water for 1 cubic meter of M25 grade. Just how much cement kg is required, you just multiply by 0.55. Okay, now the thing is, as we know, the cement comes in different location, different cost. So cement bag you have got 11.88 11.088 bags multiplied by cost per bag. This is location wise. You choose your location, what in which location you are living, you can calculate by the location. And the second thing, you need sand. Sand is 5775 kg, or volume is available with us 0.385 cubic meter. Okay, this, then you can convert cubic meter in cubic foot. 0.385 into what comes in 1 cubic meter comes 35.31. You can multiply by 35.31. You will get in CFT into cost. Depend your location. In your location. In your location. Okay. Same as it is for aggregate, you got 0.77 cubic meter. This is 0.77 cubic meter multiplied by 35.31 because of in 1 cubic meter comes 35.31 CFT cubic foot. This came. What will come? Calculate multiplied by this. You will get CFT into cost. Okay, and accordingly you can calculate the cost for 1 cubic meter M25 grade concrete. Okay guys, so today for enough this, just you memorize 2-3 things. One is mass equal to volume into density, and density of cement bag, density of sand, and density of aggregate. Okay, so thank you guys. For next video के लिए लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें.